Hey guys, this is Rachel from Cypress Textiles, and today we're going to make the sea lion motif from the 2026 VVCAL. I'm going to start with a chain 3 and then slip stitch in the third chain from the hook to make my center ring. And then this is a very simple motif. The first thing we're going to do is just make double crochet and chain space for the center. So let's get the center ring going. And then in the center ring, I'm going to make a beginning double crochet, which is just a single crochet and a chain 1. And then I'm going to make another chain 1, and our repeat is going to be chain 1 double crochet, chain 1 double crochet until we have 9 double crochet and 9 chain 1 spaces, including that beginning double crochet. All right, so here's how we're looking at the start, and I'll show you how the round looks when it's done. Okay, so here's how that cute little first round looks. I just love how that looks. And then our next round is going to be some 2 treble crochets. So I'm going to go straight into this first chain space with a 2 treble crochet, the beginning one. So I'm going to do a single crochet and then 2 chains, chain 2, and then just make a treble. And that's going to be the first 2 treble cluster. That's what I meant, 2 treble cluster. All right, so now we're going to do chain 2 and 2 treble cluster in the same chain space. Okay. Good, and then we're going to chain 2, and now all the way around we're just going to do 2 treble cluster, chain 2, 2 treble cluster, chain 2 in every chain space, and we're going to end up with 18 2 treble clusters and 18 chain spaces. All right, so my round is complete, and I've joined with the slip stitch in the first 2 treble cluster, the beginning one. And now in this chain space, I'm going to make a beginning 2 DC cluster. So I'm going to do a single crochet, chain 1, and then a double crochet. And that together is going to be my first 2 DC cluster of the round. And then I'll make chain 2 and then 2 DC cluster in the same chain space. All right, and then I'm going to chain 2 and single crochet in the next chain space. Okay, and that's going to be kind of our repeat. Chain 2, 2 DC cluster, chain 2, 2 DC cluster, chain 2 in the next chain space. Okay, just like that. And then single crochet in the next chain space. Chain 2, okay. And that's how we're gonna go all the way around. You can see how this is gonna form here. All right, so the round is done. I've joined with the slip stitch in the first 2 double crochet cluster, 2 DC cluster, if you will. And in the first chain space, I'm going to make a single crochet and then chain 3. And then we're going to do a double crochet in this next single right here. And then chain 3. Okay. And you're skipping these chain spaces and you're working into the chain space that's between the 2 clusters. We're going to make a single crochet in that chain space. Chain 3, double crochet in the next single. And that's going to be your repeat. Chain 3, skip this space, single crochet in the next space. Okay, you can see how everything's starting to line up here. It's going to go back to a circle. Okay, the round's complete. I joined with a slip stitch in the first single crochet. And the next thing that we're going to do is we have 2 more rounds left. This one is next one's going to be another chain space round. And then we just have our single crochet round. So in the same stitch that we joined in, I'm going to make a single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. That's going to be the corner. So single, chain 3, single, all in the same stitch. And that's going to be the corner. And then we're just going to do chain 3 and make a single crochet in the next stitch. We're just going to work in these doubles and singles all the way around. We're skipping all the chain spaces. So just whatever stitch is next, which in this case it's going to be double crochet, is make a single crochet. And then chain 3, single crochet in the next stitch, not chain space. Chain 3, single crochet in the next stitch. Okay, and then this, since we have 3 chain spaces here, this is our next corner. We're going to chain 3 and then just single crochet in the same stitch to make our corner. Okay, chain 3. And now our next stitch after the corner is a single. So that's why I said that. Just whatever stitch is there, you're going to make a single crochet in it. Okay, so I have one that round is done. You can see the little corners stick out to make it a hexagon. And you can also notice that you know, every other corner is in either a double crochet or a single, double, single. They alternate which stitch they're in. So just make a mental note of that. It's not always going to be the corner is in a single or something. It's going to alternate. But that's how the round looks when it's complete, and it's got a slip stitch in the first single crochet. Okay, so for the final round, I'm just going to pick up on this one. We're going to do 5 single crochet in this corner chain space. And then in the next 3 chain spaces, the sides, we're going to do 3 single crochet each. Okay, so 3 single crochet in each of these chain spaces and 5 single crochet in the corner. Okay, and here's the corner, so we're going to do 5. Okay, and that's how the side is going to look, and this is the complete sea lion motif. All right, there's 84 stitches all the way around in case you want to check your work, and I hope you enjoyed this motif, and I'll see you on the next one.